Today in this video we'll see the usage of this gardening tools which I purchased for 250 rupees. In the previous video I did the unboxing of this one, right? This is the set of 6 tools totally, okay? All these 6 tools like gloves and this watering one which I have just shown you, and the hand fork and the hand rake, and 2 other, okay? First of all, we'll use this hand rake, means the teeth sort of one, the iron and the a combination of wood handle. See here, this is used to take out the weed or unwanted plants, okay, from the garden, okay. And when I'm just trying to take out the weed, it is becoming a bit hard because the handle is too low. I need to apply a lot of pressure, but the work is getting done, that I can say. See here, the work is okay, it is doing the work. And the other tools I felt like they are a bit delicate. This one is good, this hand rake is good, okay. This is doing the decent work, and almost all the weeds and everything I cleared with this one tool only. And I tried to use another, but they got a slight bend here. Means this one, especially this one, trowel, or what do we exactly call that? Trowel, to just plow the sand here, but this got a little bit of bend, so that may be due to the weak build. The build quality is really weak. I just kept that aside, okay. But that hand rake is good, and especially out of these 6 items in the garden tool set, I personally like the watering one, the watering adjustment pipe one. This has many options. I'll show you particularly that one. See here, this is the bend what I'm talking, but for 260 rupees, okay, I can understand. And the second one I very much like is the gloves. This pair of gloves, these are excellent, these are waterproof, okay, and they are very decent and very useful. So 3 items I like: that hand rake, this gloves, and this watering pipe. See here, now it is coming like shower, right? If I if I rotate to a different option, the water is getting sprinkled in a different way. That's what I like. Anyway, I'm going to do a decent long length another video of all the options, and the force of the water is directly linked to your tap speed. Means if your tap water flow is good, means fast enough, you'll get fast water. See here, just now I rotate to flat, and see, I rotate to center. If I again rotate it, yeah, this is cone, okay. This is normal, okay, this is normal. Yeah, there are like almost 8 to 9 options where I can use it. And the hash one, or the first tool out of all the 6 I like, is that that watering one, and next these gloves, and next this hand rake one. These 3 are very useful. And there is cutter, or what we could call that, pruner. Pruner I didn't use, but that is also a decent quality. If you want to check all those items details in clearly, you can find the unboxing video. What I'll do is I'll drop the unboxing video in the description. I just shown each and every tool out of the 6 gardening tools. I did a decent long length video of unboxing of this all 6 tools. You can find it in the description, and this one is really good, and pretty much I liked. If you have a small garden, this would be useful. But remember, the tools were very small in size, so it would be decent if you have a smaller garden, that I can say, okay. Because the gardening area is very less, that's the reason these are enough. But if your garden area is bigger, then you should go for another options with somewhat bigger sizes. If you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.